Well, hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. Got a little mail call to do. It's actually kind of a surprise package from Dime Digger. So, let's have a look at it. Let's see, what are we going to use today, guys? This one, the Florida Spike. Let's see, we got a, what do they call this one? Oh, this is a Jaguar. Jaguar, a Florida Spike, and we got the pig sticker, the Italian stiletto, and we've got the USA Damascus. I think we'll use the Damascus on it. So let's see what we got here. It's heavy. Let's see what we got going on. I wasn't going to mess with this one because it's already a little torn and I didn't figure I would be able to get it. So, let's put our blades back away and let's see what Dime Digger sent us. We have, wow, a bunch of Dime Digger stickers. A whole bunch of them. Holy cow. Let's read this note. Woo, 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 woo. Sit back there. Just wanted to send you a few things you can add to your GAW. I hope it makes it there in time. I appreciate all the support you've given me and wanted to return the favor. Dime Digger. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate that. Appreciate it very much. So we're obviously going to have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that one got a little goofed up. Let's see if we can fix that. Yeah, that's alright. It'll be alright. We'll just take this outer band off of it and it'll be fine. So, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We got 10 Dime Digger stickers to add to our 10 places. And we got a little, some toys in here. So let's see what we got going on. Wow, cool. We got a whole bunch of dimes. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Mercs. Looks like we're going to have 10 Rosies. 6, 9, 10 Rosies to add to the pile, and a couple ounces of silver. A Silvertown 1 ounce fine Prospector, Winchester, Indiana, and we have another Sunshine 1 ounce fine silver bar. Well, man, brother, I really appreciate that. That was very, very, very nice of you. So we have got a nice little pile of stuff to add to the giveaway from Dime Digger, which I haven't even looked today. I don't know how close we are. But that is really cool, brother. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And this will definitely go into the giveaway. Let's see if I'm eligible to win that Prospector. So we will put these in here again, and we will add this to our giveaway pile. And brother, I really appreciate that a lot. I have to put this in my envelope in my safe, even though I just about tore it in half. And we will put this stuff over here with our giveaway stuff. And if you guys have not subbed to Dime Digger, which I don't know how that's possible, up here, right, I don't know, there somewhere over here, I'm going to try and put a card in. I actually was able to put a card in last time, because a couple times before I tried it and I couldn't do it. But I'll put a card up there, and I will also put a link to his channel down in the description area. So go check out Dime Digger and give him a sub. Appreciate it very much, brother. We will see you all in the next video.